Hello, my name is John Sayre, Technical Marketing Manager, Civil Infrastructure here at Autodesk. Today I would like to talk about one of the What's New features in AutoCAD Civil 3D 2016, crossing pipe labels for profiles and section views. Users can now label the locations and profile views where pipes and pressure pipes cross in alignment. You can also label the locations and section views where pressure pipes cross the sample line. New properties are available in the Label Style Composer dialog box to support these label types. So let's take a look. You'll see we've got a profile here on the right. I'm gonna zoom into an area here where we've got some crossings. So I'm gonna zoom in, and we've got a crossing of a storm pipe and a sewer pipe. And then over here to the right, we've got a water line. So I'm gonna do a couple things. Number one, I'm gonna throw some pipes into the profile view. So I'm gonna grab these structures here, and I need to see, I'd like to be able to see what the vertical distance was between them, and maybe what the station is of where they cross. So let's just grab those pipes, and for right now I'll draw those in the profile view. I'll pick my profile view. Now our water is not crossing our pipe, so I'm going to go ahead and just delete the water for now. So we got a crossing pipe right here that I'd like to kind of focus on. So this pipe here, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one so it'll clear it up. This pipe here is crossing this pipe here. So this is a storm pipe and a sanitary sewer pipe. So I'm going to go ahead and label that up. So again, the new feature that I'm talking about is being able to add a crossing pipe label. So I'm going to go down here to single part profile, and I'll add my crossing storm pipe label. Okay, now I've got my annotation scale just a little bit small. Let's bump it up to 40. So right there you can see, if I grab it and pull it out so that it's out to the side there, it gives us the station where it crosses the alignment, and it gives us the pipe top elevation and the pipe bottom elevation. Now I can label this pipe underneath also the sewer pipe. Just do the same thing, hit add, and go ahead and select it. And then you can see where it crosses the center line alignment at station 7 plus 2390, and it gives us the pipe top elevation and pipe bottom. Now, if we're trying to see if we've got minimum clearance or meeting the minimum clearance requirements, we can take the bottom elevation or the bottom of the pipe on the pipe above and look at the top of the pipe on the pipe below. You could see if you had the vertical clearance that the code was specifying that you needed. Now we can not only add these labels in profile, but we can add them in a section. So let's look at that. Let's go up and just add a section view real quick. And this is a pretty busy area here where we pulled those pipes before. So let's just throw that out there. So let's go ahead and add a sample line. We'll do it off of the center line alignment here. Go ahead and select the defaults. And I'm just going to pick, and I'm going to pick right here where it's crossing that sewer and the storm. We'll go 50 foot right, 50 foot left. And it gives me my sample line. So I'm going to throw a section view out there of that station. And I'll shrink up my annotation scale again so it doesn't look out of whack. And you can see all of the pipes. So we got storm pipes here on both sides. We've got a sewer pipe, and we've got our water. So if I was to grab and label this pipe here, I could go up into, or I could go up and select annotate, and I can go down to pipe network and add my pipe network labels. We'll go ahead and select standard for our pipe label style and hit add, and I'll select my pipe. And it tells me that the top elevation is at 1225.59 and the bottom elevation is at 1223.09. Now this is the top of the pipe outside, and this is the bottom of the pipe outside. And again, we could do the same thing with our pipe here. Now you can add the station to that. It's just all in the style there. We can also label the pressure pipe. So you had the water main over here on the right that was running down the right side of the road. So we can label that too. And this is new in profile view. So I'm going to add pressure pipe labels. Let's do a single part section. Just leave it standard. We've got that set up the way we want. Again, it's just a style, and it gives us our top and our bottom. So I think these are great additions to the labels. Customers have been asking for these, and now they have those labels to use in their plan set. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and have a great day.